Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel and happy new year. Today I'm going to show you how to get from this to this. This is more of a beginner type of tutorial, as well as just someone who's looking for a very simple, basic, everyday look, whether it's for work, meeting the girls, for like a coffee or something, just a quick thing to just go out of the house without looking crazy. If you're interested in watching that, let's continue. Before we continue this, I did my skincare and I put on sunscreen. Prep your skin and put on sunscreen because it's very important that you do for this type of look that I'm doing. You will see, you will get it. Okay, I glue down my brows with the Got2b glue and I used like a spoolie as such. So first thing I do, this is like more of a no foundation type of look. Always start with my brows, so I kind of just fill them in a little bit. So what I would just do is just like quickly fill this in. That's basically what I do. I will do like a proper brow tutorial for you guys, especially like my beginners or people like, even if you were like doing makeup, because it took me quite a while to get this brow thing right. Actually, sometimes I don't do it right, to be honest. I just kind of fill in the little gaps like that. I think that's okay. And then like maybe just a little feather in the front, like a one line or something, because they kind of faint in the front like that, right? And then so I just conceal and just collect like on the concealer itself, and then I just outline the shape that I want today. Like waiting it out a little, but because I don't have any time, I use my fan. My brother actually got me this, and just tap, blend, sometimes blend on top, but I don't feel like it. And then I go in with a damp beauty sponge. So you use tapping motion at your starting point and you tap along the way, like so. So now it kind of gives it like more of a clean blend. So now we're gonna go in with concealer. We're using the same concealer. I have high pigmentation and also just like acne scars because I am an acne girl, you know. So if you kind of look, I want to cover up. I usually just concentrate on the center of my face. I really don't care about the sides. So I kind of like right here, I can see an acne mark, a little darkness over here, you know, just discoloration. I have a moustache, so I'm just gonna put a little like that. Put a little here and a little here. I would recommend using like a very like full coverage type of concealer, the one that you just feel like it covers the most, you know. So I usually wait for a minute. We don't have time for that. We just tap, you know, like on that area that you put a bit of concealer, and you go around. You're gonna come back again, but just kind of like blend it out a little. So you just do that, just blend in. So I'll go in with like my foundation brush and just kind of go over that area that I feel like it's not properly, like that other brush didn't blend properly. Yeah. Just tap it in like so. I'll go back with the actual concealer brush and go a lot over my eye. So I'm just gonna start like that, like push it in, also on the other side so it doesn't dry out too much. It's just to give you more coverage. That's why we wait a little while to blend it in. So if you think you need a little bit more concealer, just put like a really tiny bit, like maybe at the center. Evenly distribute it from side to side, from corner to corner. I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush and go just under the blender. I usually just really tap really lightly because I still want that full coverage type of look. I'm just gonna go over with this Lash and Brow Fit from Essence over my brows, not brows man, my lashes, just to kind of like gel them up, prep them for like mascara and all that stuff. So now we're gonna go on to blush. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with like a really like pinkish lipstick. I got this from like China Mall, right? So we're just gonna place them there to just give me more of like a contour look, because I'm not going to use any contour, and I just put like a little tiny little line over there. Can you see that? Just really blend it out, hey? And then you can like kind of like put it in like the little corner of my eye to just give me like an eyeshadow-ish type of look. Foundation brush that I used just to go over that little blush to just give it like a beautiful blend. Okay, so I go in with like a mascara. This one is from Foschini. I actually got it as like a gift bag from an event that I went to. I just kind of, I don't want a lot of product, but I do want product, you know, so I just kind of decrease it a little. It doesn't like cake up on my eyes because it's a very big brush. So I just kind of like brush them a little out like that, up, a bit separated, and then just a little here, just a little, and then do the same thing this side. And then I just go over like a spoolie, like a clean spoolie, just to like brush out whatever like extra product there is in the brow, in the lash, sorry. And with the brow pencil that I used, I don't know why. I'm done basically. So what I do is I put on my MAC fixing spray. Okay, and then I go in with that same brush that I put on, what you call it, blush with. So I'm just gonna use this color from this palette. So I'm just gonna use that pink shimmery color as kind of like my highlighter over my blush. I'm just gonna kind of make it a bit tame on my hand because I know it's very shimmery. And then right there, see right there, that's just where I blend it in, just at the center there, and the center of my nose. Just use my little finger like a fluffy brush, just to kind of tone out that lighter in case I put too much and I can't see myself. With the same palette, I just use this color over here and then go over my lips. I have a pencil. I use a different kind of one, but because it's the closest one to me, I'll just improvise. Just line my lips. A brush like this just to blend that liner out. Like a little in like that, you see. And then I go in with also Foschini little lipstick. I don't know if it has the name. Nude pinkish, you see. In the center of it, that. And then I'll go in again. And then my angel is the end of the look. So this is like the simple little makeup routine. We just put on a little concealer, blush, highlighter, mascara, and a little liner in our brows, and we are done. And I've been doing it for like quite a while now because I have had no desire to do a full face of makeup for like the past weeks. It is summer right here, so you know, you don't really want to put a lot of makeup, but you still want to give that glowy type of put together type of look. This is the look that I came up with, and I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope it helped you a lot. And let me know in the comments if you will try this, and if you have tried it before, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all, and thank you so much for 500. Okay, we'll get to 500. Thank you so much for 360 subscribers right now on my YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.